So at first I wasn't going to post this video. I recorded it, then I was like, nah, I'm not going to post it. But then I was like, the people of the interweb and the people in the real world need to see the kind of stuff we have to deal with. The kind of stuff that comes into the shop that still shouldn't be on the road, and the condition that it's in. This particular bike is a 2005 VTX1300R, 1300 Retro, and he rode it all the way down till the cords were showing and kept on riding until it went flat. And he kept on using the brakes until there were no more brakes. Take a look.
Maybe not.
Huh? Yeah, that's about the. He went through the warning layer, the secondary layer, the tertiary layer, trying to get every bit of it. There's more cord left. There's got to be more cord left.
Understand, sport bikes don't need heavy duty wheels.
At least this guy's consistent. You don't have any brake pad left either. If you're confused on where the pad backing material is, there isn't any. That's why you don't see it. Take care of your stuff, people. Do it. If you don't want to do it for your safety, just do it for me.